brown-eyed girl. I'm a brown-eyed girl. I do a little pinky hammer to kind of get a little bit of that sound for the intro. So the intro makes me dizzy trying to play that. But if you play it like this, of course, we're not going to get really clean for me tomorrow or this weekend. Pinky doesn't work the way it should, but it gives it a little. And when you get into the chorus part, I guess it's the bridge. You go to a D7. And I don't pedal a finger here for the chorus. Sing and talk and play at the same time, but that's the basis. So just sharing that. You can still play open chords over that. It doesn't make a difference, but I just want to let you guys know what I was going to throw in there. For Sweet Child of Mine, there's a few different things out there. I'll send the sheet music that I'm using. The first part is pretty consistent. Again, I use a little pinky motion in there to give it some inflections. It's still working on it. And then the outro, or the where do we go? Where do we go? Does just bar chords for that, or power chords. It starts with the E, and you can palm mute in the beginning, and then maybe open it up as it goes to add a little more intensity as it goes. So it's a E, G, A, and then a quick half bar each, I guess, for C and D. So. And that's pretty much the whole song. Pink Houses. So that's the intro part. Again, if you don't want to play with the pick slide, you just play the chords over that. And then pretty much it's a G. And then kind of goes back to F. much the whole song. And what's the other guy? Right. Sweet Carol. It's going to be called Sweet Carolyn for Carolyn Perfumo. So we got to change the lyrics on this. But Sweet Carolyn. So I guess we start on the E for 4 bars. It goes. So that little bump, bump, ba, if you throw that in there, it's D, C sharp, and then up to an F sharp. That's good times. And then it kind of ends with the. And if you wanted to play the actual, instead of the power chords, it would be D, C sharp minor, D sharp minor. So that's what I have. If you want, we can maybe get together, maybe between games at the hotel or something like that, and just see if we can get our act together. I know some of the rhythms I used different than what was on the on some of the videos and all this. I think rhythm's fine. We can just kind of, I think we'll catch each other's rhythm. But we're following Raul. It's kind of how we look at it, I think. And Chuck and I will stay in there. But so far so good. This is about as good as it gets for me. The C chord is fairly clean. That took a little while to get back. And the pinky action, which used to be very natural, is not as accurate as I would like. But looking forward to it nonetheless. See you guys then.